Welcome to our channel, TheEncycloChannel, dear visitors. Today, we are going to discuss a thought-provoking topic that revolves around the wise words of Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad once said, "A man's true wealth in this world is measured by the good he has done around him." These words hold profound wisdom and provide us with a valuable perspective on what true wealth really means. In our fast-paced and materialistic world, it's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of wealth and success. However, the Prophet reminds us that true wealth lies not in the accumulation of material possessions, but in the impact we have on others. The teachings of Prophet Muhammad have guided me in my philanthropic endeavors. I believe that giving back to society and helping those in need is what truly makes us rich. Throughout history, we have witnessed countless individuals who have embraced this philosophy and made a significant difference in the lives of others. From social workers to volunteers, from doctors to teachers, these individuals have understood the true essence of wealth. So, dear visitors, how can we apply this wisdom in our daily lives? I think it starts with practicing empathy and compassion. We need to be aware of the struggles and needs of those around us. Absolutely, and then we can actively seek out opportunities to help others. Whether it's volunteering at a local charity or simply lending a helping hand to a neighbor in need, every small act of kindness counts. Prophet Muhammad's teachings remind us that true wealth is not measured by our bank accounts or possessions. It's measured by the impact we make on the lives of others and the positive change we bring to our communities. So, dear visitors, let us strive to be truly wealthy by spreading kindness and making a difference in the world around us. Remember, as Prophet Muhammad said, "A man's true wealth in this world is measured by the good he has done around him."